Hey, welcome to Dr. J's Kitchen. Dr. J is actually out today. She's working. By the way, this is my grandson, Charlie. So we thought, why don't we surprise her today? She's worked all day long. Let's have dinner ready for her when she gets home. So we thought, which one of her recipes would be a good one for us? Well, we really like a local chain here called Cane's Chicken, Raising Cane's Chicken. I hope you guys have that where you are. We love it, and we love their sauce in particular. The sauce is amazing. So we're going to use her video. All the ingredients and everything will be in the description below. We're going to use her recipe and try to make that same Cane's chicken that she made. I'm going to leave a link for you here also of the video where she made it, just in case this doesn't turn out. But hopefully it will, if we can follow directions. Charlie's going to take over here and add all the ingredients, and we're going to make the sauce.
Okay. So this is half a cup of mayonnaise.
Okay.
And here we have quarter cup of ketchup. Now, this is a tablespoon of black pepper.
A teaspoon.
Teaspoon.
Yeah. Teaspoon of ground black pepper.
Some garlic powder, salt, and the W sauce I don't know how to pronounce.
Yeah. All right.
And then
awesome.
We mix.
Ooh, it smells good already.
It does. My dad used to buy whole cups of this sauce and just keep it in his fridge.
Yeah, buy it to go from the restaurant?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Use it for everything.
Oh, it's good stuff.
All right. So
let's see what
this is the color.
Oh, yeah, it looks about right.
Yeah. Smells awesome. Good, too.
Okay, so that's the sauce. Next thing is we're going to get the chicken all ready to go in the oven. All right, now for the dredging stations. Take it away. What do you got here?
Okay, so we have chicken tenderloins, 1 cup flour, 2 eggs, and panko. And then here we have
Pecorino Romano.
Pecorino Romano.
Yeah, you can use Parmesan. We didn't have Parmesan. We just had a block of Pecorino Romano, so I grated that, and we're going to add that in later. So what do we do first?
We're going to season.
Season, as Dr. J says, season every layer.
Every layer.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So in her last video, she put about 2 or 3 pinches here.
Yep.
And then a pinch into the eggs and 3 or 4 pinches into the panko.
Right on. Good.
And then pepper.
Ground black pepper. Looks like you know what you're doing with that thing.
I think I do.
All right.
And then we're going to add the Pecorino Romano.
Awesome.
And then mix it up so it's all even whenever you dredge the chicken. All right.
Let's mix the eggs in there too, just so that's kind of mixed around.
Ooh, that feels soft.
All right. Okay, got that. Now, what's next?
We are going to use avocado oil. You can use coconut oil, any
olive oil,
oil,
whatever you have. We just happen to have some nice avocado oil.
Indeed. So,
yep. The point of the avocado oil is to get a layer on there so that it helps make that chicken extra crispy. So we're just going to make sure it has an even layer, as they say in Boston.
Just make sure it's nice and even.
All right, that looks good. All right, now we dredge.
We dredge. Here we go.
Yeah. Have you done this before?
Mm-mm.
Looking good, looking good. I haven't either, so I hope we know what we're doing.
Grandma will let us know she's honest.
Well, I mean, look, we watched your video how many times? About 10?
Mm-hmm.
And if all else fails, we can always
just go to Cane's.
Go to Cane's. All right, so you got them all coated with flour. Then you want to make sure to get all the flour coated, because that's what helps the panko stick, right?
Indeed.
We want it all sides. Yeah, good. Awesome.
Oops. All right. Panko and some cheese.
Pecorino Romano. If you haven't heard of that before, that's a lot to remember. Like I said, Parmesan works just as well. We kind of like the Pecorino Romano better. More better. Now, this is the real important part. We want to make sure that panko gets on every bit because we want it nice and evenly crunchy. There you go. Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
That's good. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be awesome.
All right. All right.
Listen, we're gonna keep doing this, and won't make you guys watch all this, and then we'll take the next step, putting it in the oven.
All right. All right. So we got the chicken all breaded, oiled both sides, and we're getting ready to put it in the oven, 425-degree oven for 13 minutes. Then we take it out, flip them, put them back in for 12 minutes. Let's do it. Ooh, that's hot.
Well, 12 minutes, took them out, flipped them, and then put them in for another 13 minutes. And then what? We put them under the broiler.
And indeed we did.
For 2 minutes, just, because you didn't fry these, but you want to get that nice brown, golden. Look at them. Oh my
Wow.
gosh. It's amazing. Now, before we do this, check this out. So we did a little competitive research.
We did.
This is actual real cane sauce that we had recently. So it's okay I stick my finger in there?
Yeah.
All right, let's try this. This is the real cane sauce. That's good.
Cane sauce.
Tangy, nice. You ready? I'll try this. I mean, honestly, it's very much the same.
Yeah.
It really is. You tried it before?
I did try it.
Yeah.
Before
it's
you
very much the same. It's even a little fresher, I will say.
I do like that one better.
Yeah. Awesome. All right. I'm excited. Are you ready to taste this?
I'm ready.
All right. And you have your own bowl of sauce, and I have my own bowl.
There's a nugget right here I'll take.
All right. Stick it in the sauce. Oh, y'all. It smells good. You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that crunch. What do you think? Compare this with your last Cane's experience.
I made it, so I'm biased, but it's amazing.
True.
I think it's better.
It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good. Listen, we hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to put another link here for you for the actual video that Dr. J did of these. If you like these, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Also hit that alarm, that little bell. That way you know when our next video comes out. All right. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a great night.